Recently, there are more upgrade and updates as far as Google Password Manager is concerned. If you have not explored and if you have not explored about new Google Password Manager upgrade, consider to stay tuned to this video and see major upgrade as far as Google Password Manager is concerned. See what you can do right now in your Google Password Manager without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, make sure you have to upgrade your Google Chrome browser. And for that, what you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots right here. And the next thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here. Go ahead and click on app. From app right here, you want to make sure that you come to about Chrome right here, about Google Chrome. And then it's going to take you right here. Now you have to make sure you update your Chrome browser to this particular version, just like what you see right here. Now you have successfully updated your Chrome browser to this particular latest version. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to autofill and password, and then here you go. So here under the autofill and password, you have your password manager in the column section right here, and you have your password saved in Google Chrome and the passkey alongside. And then one great thing here is that you have your payment section in this tab also, and then you have your warranty card in this tab. You have your contact info tab. You can scroll down and see more details right here. You have your docs, which is identity that you use to verify your Google account. It can either be driver's license, identity card, or passport. And at the same time, you have your travel info, travel history in your Google account, especially if you often use your Google Map right here. You go to get everything in right here. You can scroll down right here, and then you have auto fill settings right here. You can explore all this tab right here and see what exactly you can do right now in your Chrome password manager. The more you scroll down, the more you see some of the latest detail that was just released by Google right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Google Chrome browser like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.